Across this chapter, we've gathered raw materials, light, sound, chemicals, pressure. But raw data isn't experience. Look around you, you don't see a chaos of colored patches. You see objects, depth, a coherent scene. That organizing act is perception, and it's where the brain reveals itself as an active builder, not a passive camera. The Gestalt psychologists captured the key insight in a famous phrase: the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Your brain doesn't just register pieces, it organizes them into wholes using built-in principles. We naturally separate a figure from its background. That's figure ground. We group things that are close together, that's proximity, and things that look alike, that's similarity. We perceive interrupted lines as continuous, and we mentally close small gaps to see complete shapes, closure, which is why a few dots arranged just so read instantly as a face. These principles run automatically before you think. Then there's depth perception, the puzzle of how a flat, two-dimensional image on your retina becomes a three-dimensional world. We solve it with two kinds of cues. Binocular cues use both eyes. Because your eyes sit slightly apart, each gets a slightly different view, and the brain reads that difference, retinal disparity, to compute distance. That's the trick 3D movies exploit. But you can judge depth with one eye too, using monocular cues. Objects that are farther away appear smaller, lines converge toward the horizon. Near things block far things, and texture grows finer with distance. Artists have used these cues for centuries to make flat canvases feel deep. The brain also delivers perceptual constancy, the gift of seeing objects as stable, even as the raw sensation changes wildly. A door swinging open casts a shifting trapezoid on your retina, but you perceive a rectangular door the whole time. A friend walking away shrinks on your retina, but you don't think they're actually getting smaller. Your brain corrects for all of it automatically, and perception is shaped from the top down by expectation, context, and experience. Your perceptual set, the mindset you bring, can change what you literally see and hear. The same ambiguous figure looks like a duck or a rabbit, depending on what you expect. The same blurry word reads differently depending on the sentence around it. This is the chapter's deepest lesson. Perception is not a recording of reality, but an active, intelligent construction of it. Usually accurate, occasionally fooled, always built. Your brain is forever making its best guess about what's out there. Sometimes that guess relaxes its grip on the outside world entirely, in sleep, in dreams, in altered states, and that shifting landscape of awareness is exactly where we go next: consciousness.